Hi everyone, my name's Atticus, the creator of AutoRota, a website to help make managing your rota much easier. So today I'm going to show you how to import your rota from a spreadsheet. A lot of hospitals use spreadsheets still, and we'll send you like an Excel file. So if you head to import from spreadsheet, you choose your rota. So it might look something like this, and you open it. You will then get a preview. It will show you all of the shifts, a kind of preview of how it looks on the spreadsheet. It should highlight the dates, but if it doesn't, just select the first date, and then it should recognize the rest. And then just select your first shift. So if I'm James here, then I would select this on-call day. Then you'll see it selects all the rest. It will only show you a preview, so it might not show you all of the shifts, but it will have them all imported. You can then name your rota and click import. The AI recognizes the different shift types, and then when it's done, it will take you to your rota.